Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Bank of Jamaica has suspended the remittance operating licenses issued to Paymaster Jamaica for its operation as a remittance primary agent. In a notice today, the central bank said this took effect July 5. Javon Keys reports.
The BOJ says the suspension means Paymaster is no longer authorized to offer remittance services as a primary agent. It is unclear for which international remittance entity. However, over the years, Paymaster has offered overseas money transfer services for RIA, MoneyGram, Boss Money, and Zoom by PayPal. The central bank says no remittance services will be offered at 19 of Paymaster locations which hold the primary agent designation. Paymaster has more than 60 locations in operation nationally. It says, however, Paymaster continues to operate as a sub-agent of 6 remittance primary agents and therefore will offer remittance services through these sub-agent arrangements at 47 locations. The BOJ says, however, that Paymaster is still authorized to test its MyCash mobile wallet in the Bank of Jamaica FinTech regulatory sandbox. MyCash may continue to utilize the payment service with the exception of the feature disbursement of inbound remittance to wallet. In response to the suspension, Paymaster says it was linked to what was described as a breach of Paymaster's record-keeping requirements. It says, however, that the suspension only applies to a small part of its business, specifically primary agent services supplied to a single overseas provider. Paymaster sought to clarify that all its locations are still offering remittance services to LASCO and JMB Money Transfer. It says following a system error, it advised the Bank of Jamaica of the issue. And since then, there was ongoing communication with the central bank. Paymaster outlined that this is the first notification of non-compliance for Paymaster to warrant immediate suspension by the BOJ. It says it is taking the matter seriously and is fully committed to understanding and addressing the issues raised by the BOJ. The company's bill payment services are not affected. The releases have, however, left these gaps for a new center. As the BOJ said, no remittance services will be offered at the 19 locations listed. We have also not been able to verify the referenced system error that Paymaster pointed out. Our new center sought clarity on these issues from the central bank, along with its approach to these kinds of breaches and whether it was in fact the first instance of this kind of breach and is a suspension a first instance approach. Up to the time of editing this story, a response was not made available. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.
The Integrity Commission, IC, is urging financial institutions to respond positively and truthfully when the entity requests information. In its 2023-2024 annual report, IC Chairman retired Justice Seymour Panton stated that it is unwise for them to endanger their licensees or relationships and it cannot be business as usual. The Integrity Commission said Barita is not the only institution that has hesitated to comply with the Commission's legitimate requests. One other institution has not been as cooperative as the Commission would have liked. The Supreme Court ruled in January this year that Barita Investments must comply with the IC's request for financial information on 151 current and former public officials. Gas prices are going up for another week. Effective Thursday, each liter of 87 will sell for $1.95 more. $1.97 will be added to 90 gasoline. Diesel will see an increase of $1.35. Ultra-low sulfur diesel will go up by $1.45. $2.38 will be added to each liter of kerosene. Propane will go for 40 cents more, while 70 cents will be added to the cost of butane. Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $157.46. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.72. $201.91 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $174.22. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 203 points today, while the junior market index lost 87 points. Among the 27 winners, carbon producers Jamaica, Caribbean Cream, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Jamaica Stock Exchange, and Epley. The 56 losers were led by ISP Finance Services, Key Insurance Company, Innovative Energy Solutions, JMMB Group 7% Jamaican dollar CR shares, and Paramount Trading. 21 stocks closed the session selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.